Hey my chocolate babies, welcome back to another YouTube video with your girl dips in chocolate. So this vlog will be a get ready with me to go to morning brunch JA. It's a brunch that is an annual brunch that is kept up in the hills where I live, period. So I've never been to this brunch before, but this year I made it a duty. I made it on my to-do list to go. So I'll be going to the nail tech to refill my nails. I think I'm going to put them in white. So these are my prom nails, and I'm going to just refill them. And I'm going to do my toes because my toes are crusty right now. So guys, before we continue this vlog, this get ready with me, please like, comment and subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Comment down below what you like about this vlog, and just big up me and big up the dipped in chocolate family in the comment section. So let's go. So I'm in the taxi and the camera just a shit. The government needs to fix the road. Guys, I'm walking to the nail tech because somebody dope and because I want chill, because I called her and she said she's still at school, so I had to go and idle some time before. So now I'm going up there. Alright, this is the shop. So at this point, people, I'm feeling like a real barb because I always wanted to do my fingers in white. So right now, I feel like I'm gonna get married. Right now, I feel like so the boy not do him job because the boy should have married me anytime see me pop out with them nails. Yeah, the lady go on with herself with my nails. Right now, I need a ring. So these are simple and glammed. Come on, like I love these because the something more I wear is white and some other pretty brunch colors. So yes, I love it. I got me yard now. I think I'm gonna buy a food and then go home. But if not, let's go straight home. But let's see where the night takes us. Guys, wow, this is like 2 weeks after I have filmed that video, that previous clip. So now I'm going to my makeup artist and my hairdresser to drop off my wig. So the wig that I'm going to wear is a blonde wig, and I brought it to my hairdresser to dye the roots into a darker color. So you guys, today is Saturday and I'm waiting on a lady to sell me the tickets to go to the brunch. My friend and I will be coming, period. So yeah, let's just see how it goes. I'm going to work now. I already need the lady to come now because I don't want to be late. But at the end of the day, I got to get the ticket today because I don't have any more time to get the tickets. So I'm just going to wait patiently. Okay guys, so I have not gotten the chance to vlog properly for you guys. So I gave my hairdresser my hair to customize. I did not want to show you the clip of the hair because the whole outfit and everything is supposed to be like a surprise. So yes, my hair is out now because it was in cornrows. So I'm going to be washing my hair now and taking a bath and getting my hair can go back because tomorrow is the brunch. Can you believe? Can you believe tomorrow is the brunch? Guys, just don't forget to like, comment and subscribe because it's about to be a Dolly Barbie black chocolate dipped in chocolate settings. Someone wants to know the comment section. I blow up the comment section with bare fire emoji and heart emojis. Period. Poo. My love nobody see. Just wait until the daddy pop up with a shorts and run out. Good morning. Today is the day of the brunch, y'all. Look at my strong breakfast that I'm eating. I bet I'm not getting none. So guys, you have just seen my breakfast in the previous clip. And yeah, so today is brunch day. So I'm going to go curl my hair, go back at my best friend's house, and also get some lashes from her because she sells lashes apparently. So yeah, I'll be going to my makeup artist by 10 o'clock because she said the appointment is 10 o'clock. But I tell her I'm going to run late because because the person who is supposed to bring me to this brunch, them gonna OG. So I don't want to have the makeup on my face like for long. Even though when mama beat my face for days. Like she beat it for make it stay on for days. But I don't really want to have on the makeup from like now to 3 o'clock. And then, because the time is very hot. Even though she beat my face more, right? If it was like in like the evening time, I know the time is more cooler. Not more cooler, that is a double negative in the center. Anyways, so when the time is cooler, I would do it. But I wonder if I should change my appointment to like 12 o'clock. Think I should do that. But anyways, I'm going to just go curl my hair and get my lashes and head out to my mua.
You love the video of me, lady?
Don't it? So this is the finished product for the ear, guys. I'm looking like a black Barbie. I'm looking so beautiful.
With you, anything with you, go and show your ass. Radam! Not it.
So guys, Jesus Christ, me never expect to look so extravagant. I must my man party. And that lady them say all I got must my man party. So top of the morning, bless the name of Jesus. Makhalia look damn good. So it's really one boy I want this Dalia to do what with this Dali? Fuck out of here. I love the ear. Sanika go out with herself. Check her out on Instagram. I'm gonna leave her thing them in my description down below. So yes, I never done so pretty. Not here. But bottom, I never done look so nice. My head warm now. So I reach home. I'm just waiting on the person who's supposed to pick me up. Guys, yo, the lady talk and walk in my face, you know. The lady cook up a storm in my face, okay. So she cook up storm in my face. Watch my ear. Cook up storm. So guys, I was rushing so I couldn't get for sure on the full outfit yet, but continue watching to see. One piece of something reached me. The other one stranded. No. This will look good for Dali. Dali need a car. Anybody can contribute a car. And a driver's license. Leave me up in the comment section. This will look good. Not at all. Big nice Dali. Remember, say when the last time when you see me a day, no night. The daddy can never come here. So daddy have to wait upon somebody else to come here, right? Right now, some people have to start on me, and I really want to run, you know, 'cause I'm afraid of people, you know, guys. You know, I really like the people thing. So now, I'm just going to wait on them to come, and then I just zoops and just got a brunch. I was planning on going to a pool party after, but it can't work. I'm basically night now. Me certain to brunch start 10 o'clock to 4 o'clock. No, after 7 I go eat. Them things them I cannot bother with. The party don't have quick because them said the police are fighting. So, what you going, you know? I'm gonna know.
I'm a Jamaican boy, born and raised. Nowadays.
So guys, I'm reaching from party. Change over. I'm hungry like me. After that Sunday, so Sunday they do there. Sunday dinner is here, so I'm gonna get some Sunday dinner. So for right now, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on the post notification bell to be notified. The party did like it did like one, and then we hear say party shut up, official shut up because police are. But second still, my ear still on fleek, my makeup no move. Yo, my makeup artists are the best. The best. The fucking best. Like she slayed my motherfucking face, my hair. And she's just yes guys, so yeah. Thanks for watching. Bye.